taking a shower every day, yet the floor is always flooded with water and drainage is not smooth. Water stains accumulate, breeding bacteria, which not only affects aesthetics, but may also pose hidden dangers. Most people have encountered these problems. Common traditional drainage systems are outdated and slow to drain. Many old drains are clogged, obstructed, or even emit bad odors. Moreover, they often require frequent cleaning and are more prone to blockage over long-term use. Mondeway's floor drain breaks these worries, providing a more efficient and hygienic drainage experience. With its innovative design and precise craftsmanship, every drainage is smooth and unobstructed. It employs a high-efficiency drainage system that drains quickly, preventing water accumulation. Even with a large volume of water, it can drain within seconds. No more worries about water accumulation, keeping your bathroom always dry. Mondeway Floor Drain adopts advanced odor-proof technology, ensuring the drain remains fresh for a long time. It prevents odor backflow, keeping your bathroom fresher for longer. Its innovative detachable design makes cleaning easier. No more effort is needed to clean hard-to-reach drains. With just a simple operation, you can quickly disassemble and clean, making maintenance easy and enjoyable. It is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is corrosion-resistant and rust-proof. Even in humid environments, it remains as good as new after years of use. With a 15-year durability guarantee, it provides you with lasting peace of mind. Not only powerful in function, Mondeway's design perfectly integrates with bathroom space. The modern minimalist style is elegant and practical, enhancing your bathroom's aesthetic. Whether for busy families or design-conscious young people, Mondeway's floor drain offers a perfect user experience. It's not just an upgrade in functionality, but also an enhancement in quality of life. Choose Mondeway Floor Drain. Choose a more efficient, hygienic, and aesthetically pleasing way of living. It is not just a drainage system, but a detail that enhances the quality of life. Mondeway, innovative drainage for a comfortable living experience.